just reached a big milestone. The car is painted. So the mission is we're gonna work from the front to the rear. So as you can tell, the bumper has nothing in it. So right now we're gonna take the bumper off, put all the vents, everything on it.
Yeah, guys, so this is what the car looks like now after it got painted. I think it looks, they did a flawless job. All this got painted all the way to about in here somewhere where we had some scratches in here. All the door scratches are out. The only thing that's left original is the roof.
Doors.
No, that door is painted. This door is like blended in halfway. I don't know where they blended. So this should be original. That's original. And the trunk. The bumper here is going to get removed later on today or whenever. All right, man. They did a really good job. All right, go ahead and pop the hood and let's get rolling. These little tabs off the side here. So you have these tabs. Oh. See that? Mm-hmm. And then these tabs need to go right into these little holes. See that? Mm. Okay.
Is the right one? How far do I get? Is it in or no?
Probably not. When in doubt, probably not.
No, it's the same side like yours. Like it has gaps in it.
This side probably doesn't look like it's in. Look, see the tips, the clasp. See how there's still a gap.
Here, you do it then. I'll record you do it.
All right. I'm not hurt. There we go. There we go. Now it's in. All right. It's on backwards, homie.
Homie. You sure? Yeah. These tabs are extremely difficult to get in. It's like, won't just go in.
No, they need persuasion and everything else like that. I don't know if it's cold outside, but all these little tabs, they need to be snapped into place. And it's just insane how much pressure is required to get them to snap in. Just like that. See how the clip right here is snapped in? Past the little gate. Been trying not to use the hammer. We used the hammer over here, and we ended up breaking the little guard piece on the backside. I don't think you'll be able to see any of this because something fits in there. All right, guys, so the bumper's coming along. I know, you know, when I first got this, I thought, man, all it needs is just a bumper and maybe a grill or 2 or 3, and that's it. But it's just proven to be non-stop. It's things that are, I mean, it's just 1,000 little pieces. Aren't there, buddy?
Yeah.
1,000 little pieces that go into making this bumper. And everything requires like brute force to put in. Nothing fits in like, you know, this dead blow hammer, wherever it disappeared to. You're sitting on a lawnmower. This thing has proven to be invaluable to persuading these tabs to snap in. So the only casualty of the whole thing has been this little tab right here that we end up breaking. Right in here. Actually, that you broke. Did you break it? Yeah. So now we're gonna put the front splitter on, as well as all this ducting that goes to who knows where. Do you know who knows where?
No.
Huh?
This thing's not coming off. I need pliers. It'd be way faster.
In my pocket?
Nope,
Oh, there they are. Yeah, good job, man. You broke it.
Oh, this is good.
Do you know where it goes?
Right there.
Just gonna duct tape it right there?
Exactly.
Yeah, I don't even know where it goes, to tell you the truth. So second important thing of the night, we finally figure out where this vent goes. Check this out. So I know you could have gone online, but we went online and there's nothing online, is there?
No.
Nothing online. Not yet. So what this does is it's like all deformed. See that when it's sitting there like that, it's all deformed. But when you put it in, you put in and twist and move and contort it, and then something goes like this here. How cool is that? It's like mega cool, man.
Do we have to take the screw out?
Yeah, and take the screw out and put another one in there.
Put the same one in there.
Yeah, here, go ahead. Piece. This thing right here folds in on itself and sits like this, and this screw, that screw, and then it clips in together. That's just crazy, man. That's crazy talk.
Yeah, it just literally clips in with tabs.
So clip it in with the tabs, man.
Here, first put the screw in.
Here, do you want to take it off? Probably taking it off. Here, just take it off and do it now. Put these two tabs together. Origami it.
Origami it. My hands are pretty cold.
Yeah, it's 38 degrees out here, man.
Wow, come on. My toes never get numb. And they're getting numb right now.
Okay, well,
My hands are too cold. I don't want.
it's only 32 degrees out here. What do you mean you're complaining about the cold? You got red shoes that virtually should keep you warm.
No.
Red, doesn't red keep you warm? Red's hot? Isn't that how it works? I think that's how it works. Okay, so, it's getting cold sitting out here, and he's freezing to death. So, anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. I'm gonna call it quit for tonight. It's getting dark outside, so we will see you on the next video. Bye.